Okay. Shimano Stella.
Pakistanische Verhältnisse liegt eine angenehm ruhige Atmosphäre über der Stadt. Der Stadtteil Villa Town, nicht die vornehmste Ecke, hier eine größere Anwesen, keiner der Anwohner ahnt, dass in einem dieser Anwesen ein Mann lebt, der weltweit geschickt hat. Osama bin Laden. Einst versetzte er die westliche Welt in Angst und Schrecken. Im Haus in Abbottabad ist der Fernseher verlegt zu Osten. Die Nachrichtensendungen, die er verfolgt, zeigen bisweilen auch ihn, den Mann, den viele für den gefährlichsten Terroristen der Welt halten. Für die amerikanischen Fahnder ist er von der Bildspitze verschwunden. In seiner Musik schaut er immer wieder die Videobänder an, die für ihn seinen größten Triumph zeigen. Der 11. September 2001. Die Anschläge auf das World Trade Center in New York, die rund 3000 Menschen das Leben kosteten. Knapp 10 Jahre später will er seinen schrecklichen Triumph noch einmal nutzen. In seinem Versteck schreibt Bin Laden an einen vertrauten Brief. Bald steht der 10. Jahrestag der gesegneten Angriffe auf New York und Washington bevor. Du weißt, wie wichtig es ist, den beginnenden Jahrestag für uns Vorteil zu nutzen.
Make a little noise. My 1-year-old Exist LT.
Zitate von Osama bin Laden, so sagt die US-Regierung. Sie hat 103 Dokumente auf einer Website veröffentlicht. Material, das 2011 in Abbottabad zunächst auf Festplatten erfolgte. Die Namen ist unverblümt in diesen Dokumenten, doch sind sie auch echt?
Also die Papiere aus Abbottabad, die ich selbst gelesen habe, beträchtlicher Teil dieses ganzen Textbrauches zahlreiche formale Hinweise darauf, die auch als Amerikaner diese Papiere fälschen können. Nicht, dass sie irgendein Motiv haben, das zu tun.
Am 11. September 2001 demütigt Osama bin Laden in Weltmacht Amerika. Er selbst sitzt an diesem Tag in einer Höhle Osama-Bekleidung in Saudi-Arabien geboren. Ein Land geprägt von alten Traditionen und rasantem Wandel. Das Öl macht den Wüstenstaat reich. Mit dem großen Geld kommt auch die Moderne über das Land. Konsum und Wandel treten in Konkurrenz zum einfachen Beduinenleben.
The clicker system by this rail for close to 600 euros is from plastic. Fucking plastic. And here it's whole. You see? The back side. What is this? Here will go mud, dirt and everything shit inside. Cannot believe this is normal. Look here, metal click system. Yeah, the Daiwa system, click. Not plastic, metal. And look this, the holder is massive. No holes. From carbon. And this here is one part polished. I don't know, but only this is a big difference. The exist have all metal, aluminium, all quality, and Stella, I speak from Stella, Shimano, have plastic. 100% the same plastic like in the cheap Stradic. We will see. Wait a second. Here is it. Exact. The new Stella for 600 euros have the same, exactly the same click system and parts and materials like a 120 euro exist Stradic. I can't believe it. The shaft looked also the same. This, I never fished this, it's new, I pack it out, but this makes me angry and crazy. This is a big no-go. This plastic here inside is exactly the same with these two screws like on the Stradic. Can't believe it. This is crazy. The diameter from the shaft is the same like they exist. I see this. I don't must measure when I put it here. Here, listen. It's the same. I can't believe that. Only the spool is bigger. Okay, the spool is too big for this. But it's the same. Oh my. But I will see how it is the new Stella in field. This is a big no-go, friends. Made in Japan. I can't believe it. The Shimano Stella have the same parts like a Stradic. And maybe this screw is also the same. Yes, it's the same. Maybe when I fish this rail it's great, I don't know. But the material and the parts the same like on the Stradic. This is a completely no-go. And the handle, when you see, it runs here, this. It runs like an egg. See? This problem, I think on the Exist I don't have it. Look. Exactly. Crazy. I'm negative surprised. Maybe this complete part is the same. Yes, it must be the same. And the screw is the same. Look, the cheap Stradic have Torx screws. See? And the high-tech quality expensive Shimano Stella have standard screws. The screws they use in the end of 80 years, 90 years, like this. I don't understand this. I will not say something wrong. I don't fish this rail. The Stradic, I will try it, I will taste it, but the first visual look and have it in the hands, like it's run, and the material quality and the finish from this rail, it's a big difference to the Exist. The Exist, I have it 1 year in hardcore conditions. I fish it permanently, hundreds of fish, and still it runs when I try it. Smoother. Then the brand new from the box Stella from Shimano. Crazy. But I don't understand why Shimano puts parts, the same parts from the cheap Stradic inside in the premium model. I don't understand this. This is no-go. Are you a fanboy from Daiwa or a fanboy from Shimano? But this is a no-go. A 600 plus euro rail have the same parts like a 120 euro Stradic. Guys, I don't know, but for me this is not normal. This is crazy. This is a no-go, a big no-go. But I will try it, I will fish it, and then will I see. But when I see the parts like Stradic, I can imagine the quality is the same like this Stradic. I changed this part 3 times. And listen. See? Shimano quality. And they exist. No play nowhere after 1 year hardcore use. Look. Okay, I will try and test it and then I make another video. Bye.